Hey everybody, it's Tarina with Create with Tree, that's me, and today I finally got around to making this beautiful chalkboard using the Salt Lake Temple transfer. I love this transfer so much, and I use the white chalk paste to make it really pop off the black chalkboard. I love using this 4-inch squeegee because it makes it go so fast. I used copper ink for the angel on the top of the temple and the plate on the front of the temple. I used white chalk paste for the title at the bottom. And then again, I used the copper ink to do the fancy corners and the keyhole at the bottom of the chalkboard. Now, using the ink on the chalkboard, it does make it permanent. I didn't heat set it, but once it dries, it's not going to be able to wash off easily with water. I'm not making this a temporary surface. I want this to be a permanent image on this chalkboard, as I'm going to be hanging it in my home as a focal point on the wall in my decor. I hope you really love this. I think it turned out more beautiful than I ever could have imagined. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, this has been Tarina with Create with Tree, that's me, and I'll talk to you soon.